Square metallic plates of side 1 meter are kept 0.01 meter apart like a parallel plate capacitor in air in such a way that one of their edges is perpendicular to the to an oil surface in a tank filled with an insulating oil. Okay, filled with an insulating oil. Okay, and the plates are connected to a battery of EMF of 500 volt. The plates are lowered vertically into a oil at a speed of 0.001 meter per second. Calculate the current drawn from the battery during the process. Now first of all, let us understand the sum before we proceed to solving. Let us consider there are two plates. Now I am drawing it in a little bit of 3D. Okay, so there are two plates, okay, and kept like a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, it is filled in a tank. Okay, there is a tank. Okay, and it is the lower end of the tank, the lower end of the plates is just touching the oil that is filled in the tank. Okay, in 2D it will look somewhat like this. Okay, in 2D it will look somewhat like this. Okay, they are filled in the tank and the lower point is just touching the given oil points. Okay, or the given oil. Okay, now I can say that this is a square plate. Okay, so each side will be equal to 1 meter. Okay, this side will be equal to 1 meter and this side will also be equal to 1 meter. Okay, similarly with the other plate. Now these plates are lowered downwards in the tank. Okay, so these plates are lowered downward in the tank. Let us say I lower it by a distance x. Okay, let us say I lower it by a distance x. Okay, in the tank. So the part now the total length is 1 meter. So this length over here will be equal to 1 minus x. Okay, this length will be equal to 1 minus x. So basically I can divide it into two capacitors. The first will be somewhat like this and the second will be somewhat like this, filled with a dielectric constant K. Okay, so the capacitance now over here, now both of them are connected in parallel. Okay, since this capacitance are connected to the battery, suppose I connect it with a battery of potential V. Okay, of potential V, I connect it to a battery of potential V. Okay, I will draw it over here. Okay, so since it is connected to the potential, okay, this will be positive potential and this over here will be negative potential. So both of them are connected in parallel. So the total capacitance of the circuit will be equal to C1 plus C2. Okay, now C1 will be equal to, now the capacitance is given by the formula A epsilon naught K divided by D. Let us substitute and see what are the A epsilon, what is the value of epsilon A, K and D. Now the distance between them is equal to D, which is given as 0.01 meter. I will substitute it later. Okay, so it will be equal to area. Let us find out the area. Now let us assume that this much part, the x part, has been submerged inside the liquid. Okay, the x part has been submerged inside the liquid. This distance is equal to 1 meter. So the area will be equal to x into 1. Okay, so area over here is equal to x into 1 epsilon naught. How much part has been submerged? Okay, that has the dielectric constant K divided by x into 1 into epsilon naught into K divided by D. Okay, D, let it be as it is. I will substitute the value of D later. Plus the remaining parallel plate capacitor is outside the liquid, or basically it is in air. This part is in air. Okay, if this part given over here is in air, then this side will also be equal to 1 meter and the length over here is equal to 1 minus x. Okay, is equal to 1 minus x. So its area is equal to 1 minus x into 1 into epsilon naught. The dielectric constant of air is 1 divided by D. So basically the capacitance, the total capacitance of the circuit will come out to be, okay, it will be equal to, if I rearrange this part, it will be equal to epsilon naught by D will be constant. It will be equal to xk plus 1 minus x. Okay, xk plus 1 minus x. Okay, this is the total capacitance of the circuit. Let it be equal to equation number 1. Okay, now the x is varying as we go on dipping this inside the liquid. The x is varying. Okay, so first of all, let me write down the formula of the charge. Q will be equal to CV. Okay, now the voltage over here remains constant. Because it has been connected to a battery of constant voltage that is equal to 500 volt. Okay, so V is equal to constant. We have to find out the current. I is equal to dq by dt. When I differentiate this part, it will be equal to, V will be constant, dc divided by dt. Okay, that is the current. Now voltage over here is given as 500 volt. Okay, EMF is given as 500 volt. So I will substitute over here 500. First of all, let me differentiate this part, dc by dt. Okay, epsilon naught and D will be constant. Okay, epsilon naught and D will be constant. It will be equal to K minus 1, okay, k minus 1 into dx by dt, okay, into dx by dt, okay. Xk will be equal to k into dx by dt. 1, the differentiation of 1 will be equal to 0. Differentiation of minus x is equal to minus 1 dx by dt, okay. Now what is dx by dt? Dx by dt is the velocity, okay. So 500 into 8.85 or 8.8 into 10 raised to minus 12 divided by distance. Distance is given as 0.01 meter, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 2, okay, and k is given as, k over here is given as 11, okay. So distance is 10 raised to minus 2, this is 11 minus 1 into velocity. Velocity is given as, the velocity over here is given as with the speed of 0.001 meter per second, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter per second, okay, that is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter per second, okay. So basically the current over here will be equal to, this will be equal to, if I simplify this part, this will be equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 8.8 into 8.8 into 10 raised to minus 12 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 10 raised to minus 2, okay, this 10 raised to plus 2, okay, over here, okay, fine. So this is the total current flowing in the circuit, okay. So in this part 10 raised to minus 2 and 10 raised to minus 2 will get cancelled out. It will be equal to 8.85 into 8.85 into 5 will be equal to 44.2 or 44, basically it will be equal to 44 into 10 raised to minus 10, okay, ampere, or the current induced can also be written as 4.4 into 10 raised to minus 9 ampere, that is 4.4 nano ampere, okay. This is the current flowing in the, or the current flowing through the part.